welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today we are doing stock day today, stock lock day. We've got an ISO or an ISEO. I'll show you the key. It's an Italian lock. It was a full lock. I did turn one half into a challenge lock, but I have never picked it as a stock lock. There's your bit in. It does work really smoothly. As it would do. Pretty good quality lock. Usually some security pins in there, but we'll check that out in a minute, hopefully. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, and you can check me out on Discord at Extraordinary League of Pickers and at UKLP at Lockpicking at Lock Sport on Facebook. And if you like to support my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. Let's make 2 to 3 videos per week for picking locks, challenge locks, to lock tutorials, to all types of lock stuff really. But yeah, hopefully we can get this picked. I'm going to use a very thin tension wrench, which fits perfectly in the bottom. And I'm going to use a Trekmaster hook. Might have to switch hooks because, as you can see on, let me show you, even though it's not too much of a low cut, I've still got to get behind it to get up there. But let's see how we do. Not happy with that angle. So let's see what we've got. Let's try from the back first. I'm going to lift this up a bit more. There we go. That was a little click off 5. Got a little false set going, so that gives me that indication. Oh, we've got another false set. That there's a spools in this. Yep, I think I've gone definitely an overset there. These make really good challenge locks as well. Nice keyways. We're hanging up somewhere. Getting a little bit of counter. I've overset. Yeah, we've overset. Let me go for a reset. Give me 1 second. Don't think all the pins had shot back up then. Stayed down. So we'll go in from the back again. There we go, a little false set again. Got another one. Just a tiny bit, so we know we're getting close. There's not one. It's not. Oh, so we could click on 2. Oh, I think 5 is done. I definitely getting a little bit of counter on. I think it's for there's not one. Getting counter on one, but one's quite a low cut. Got a little bit more of a fault set now. And again, really nice click. Oh, another one then. Let me just go for a slightly deeper hook. For a Bobby Keys hook. God, see, it's giving me that fault set straight back. No, it's not pin 2. Pin 3 is giving that fault set again. Not 5. See how it shows how tricky some locks can be. Even for stock. Oh, I'm roping. There we go, it's on 4. Let's have a look what we've got in this. Now, like I say, I've had one or two of these before, these locks, and I've always turned them into challenge locks, but never. See, we're open. We never. I've gutted it, if you get me. I've basically just dumped all the pins out. Not even looked at it. Just dumped the pins out because I didn't need them, as I was making my own for it. But definitely know you get security pins in these. Let me just pause while we get the back off. There we go. We got it. Hate these bendy ones. Love the springy ones that you just can, well, usually ping off and fly across the room. 1 second. There we go. Looks like we're going to need a shim anyway for this, because we've got that groove in. Normally don't need shims in a lot of locks, and I've used to shim hardly any locks at all, but now definitely need to shim quite a few, especially when they got the groove in the back from where your circlip goes. There's definitely something stopping that shim from. Do you know what? I think the shim. Yeah, get another shim out. That one. The end of it is bent up slightly, so it's catching them. That's a better shim. There we go. A lot better. Put the let's get the follower in. See how we're going. Right, let's get some light over here. So we're on a 5-pin, and don't expect to see anything in here except for standards. Ooh. Very nice standard. For standard pins are very clean, which means they can be reused to make them into like challenge ones. I'd say the core on these as well, they're very well made, very smooth. Tolerances are really nice. Let's see what we've got in here. Let's remove the shim. Let's see what we've got when it comes to the old security. Oh, we've got a very nice commercial spool. We've got another very nice commercial spool. And we've got a standard in 3. In 4, we've got another spool. And in 5, we have another spool. And I do believe all these springs will be stock. Very nice springs as well, actually, really clean. I've seen many from being brand new, clean springs. But yeah, these key pins can be really easily modified. It's nice and long. But give me 1 second, I'll show you anyway. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm getting an upcoming challenge lock coming soon. When I find it, here we go. This one we've got, it's a 7-pinner. Got the key for it. Got this really nice challenge lock. When Keymaster sent me parcel the other day, he sent me a key with a calibration lock we've got with one of these light up boxes. Went to my local B&M's today and they sell these at $1.99 with a big sheet of 100 letters and emojis. And this lock, with it being a 7-pin, turn the light on. There you go, when it focuses. Magnificent 7. So it's a film board, obviously a very famous film, but that's what we're going to name this lock, the Magnificent 7. Cool little keyring to stick on the for a challenge lock. Awesome little thing. As soon as I saw it, like I say, with Keymaster, I thought I've got to get one of them. Luckily I found one. Let's get into these pins. So for this stock ISEO, it is, there's your key pins like that. These are really nice and long. So like I say, you can really modify these nice, including these ones because they're not even that short. We've got, like I say, they're all standard spools, commercial ones, and the rest are just standard key pins. But like I say, you can modify these. You can turn these to really nice challenge lock. I do apologise, I just dropped my tweezers. But if you ever come across one of these, like I say, they're Italian-made lock, but they are well known. I've had quite a few of them. If you ever come across them, especially a bog standard one, then they'll make an awesome challenge lock. So if you do come across one of these, like I say, have a go. But yeah, well, I hope you like this video. One of the first of the many of the stock lock videos that are going to come up. Yeah, so I hope you find it helpful what you find inside. And well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.